Hi, my name is Paul Wheatley. I'm an attorney at the Mike Morse Law Firm. I went to law school at Cooley, graduated and started doing some lemon law. I wanted to try something different, and I had heard good things about the Mike Morse Law Firm through my then boss, and applied here and got the job, and I've been here, like I said, 8 years. I love just seeing the impact we can make on our clients, helping them through their daily lives, especially around the holidays. You get to see the joy in their faces when they get the recovery that's been withheld from them for so long. And there's a lot of people that have been severely injured, and it affects their lives. And it's just amazing to see the amount of help we can provide to our clients. I am proud of putting myself through law school. I drove a cement truck to get myself through law school. I drove a cement truck during the day and went to law school at night and on the weekends. And I have a great wife and 3 children that helped me get through it all. I love to ski. I thought I was going to be a snowboarder, but I'm not very good at it, so I've gone to skiing and I really enjoy it. My family, it's one of the best things we have done with our kids. They love getting out in the snow and tearing it up, and they're all pretty good at it. We love going to Colorado and skiing once a year. We don't get out there enough, and we're going to try northern Michigan this year. I love in Michigan, there's so many beautiful lakes and things to do, and fun hikes to do with your family. You can do all that. And then living so close to Detroit, there's so many good restaurants downtown. I like going downtown with my family and just getting a different kind of food. Whatever you want is down there. And there's so many neat, like the art museum and the libraries, and we just love every part of Detroit. One day we hope that we can get our sports teams back in line and get down there and have some fun with that. But right now it's just so fun seeing Detroit become such a food-centric town and booming, and it's great to see. Really, I feel like my job is to educate them as much as possible about all the different parts of the law that they're going to be dealing with, and I'll walk them through the legal process and let them know we're here for them, and we're listening to them, and just we're ready to help them. And the firm it has so many resources to help them, and I think they're in great hands here.